How to highlight the eyes in Photoshop. First, duplicate your first layer with Control or Command J. Select the lasso tool with the shortcut key L, and then slowly, but not exactly, highlight and select your eye. Only one eye. Then hold down Shift to select the other eye and make an additional selection. And after you've done that, don't worry if the selection's not perfect. Select the Add Layer Mask key next to the FX button. And then after you've done that, make sure to create an additional adjustment layer by selecting the Hue/Saturation layer right next to the mask button. Make sure to make it a clipping mask. And then you can simply increase or decrease the saturation and then increase the brightness to bring out any colors in the eye. And again, if you don't like the transition of the color, what you can do is you can go back to the mask layer, that's the mostly black layer, and increase the feather. So here we have the before, and here we have the after.